In this section, you'll categorize your company's revenue into up to 3 verticals. Think of verticals as broad categories that group similar revenue streams together. If your business has multiple revenue sources, try to consolidate them into 3 main verticals. However, if you operate in just one area, you can enter a single vertical. For example, a company might structure its revenue like this. Offline stores with streams like in-store food sales, catering services, and online ordering and delivery. EdTech platform covering course fees and subscription models. B2B raw ingredient seller, including bulk ingredient sales or custom packaging services. Enter your verticals and your revenue streams from each vertical. This structured approach helps ensure a clear and accurate financial analysis. Take a moment to organize your revenue streams before moving forward. You may perform revenue segmentation on the basis of consumer type or product type or geography. Critically think what are your consumer segments and how you would want your investors to dive deep into your business financials.